Welcome back to our project in downtown Montreal. Look at this beautiful view. So you may notice a difference behind me. The trees have been removed and now we have unobstructed views on the beautiful city below. That ornamental grass right there is an artistic piece, so you know, it's part of the whole scene. So right now I'm standing on the lounge that's going to be leading off of the pool area. So the team made the frames for the support of the staircase that's going to be coming down here. So it's a little bit sunken, so when you're in the pool area you can still have a view. Down here they also made the framing for the footings for the staircase. The reason they didn't do it at the beginning with the rest of the footings is because we needed machinery access to backfill everywhere here. So now they're going to pour the footings and complete the backfill, and then we're going to build up from the bottom. So over here we have the Great Wall of Montreal. Just kidding, it's a support wall. So we're going to have planters that are coming here to break this elevation, and we're going to have some low shrubbery or plantation. It's going to add some greenery and some warmth to this area, even though it's all very structural. So this gas pipe is gas. No, I'm kidding. So here we have the gas pipe installed by a gas specialist. So this is going to be for the pool equipment and for the fire feature, so it's going to be directly connected. So down here the team is currently working on prepping the base for the concrete expert to come back on site and pour extra footings, all part of the support structure of everything combined together. So this is where we put the bodies. Just kidding. This is for our extra footings for the walkway that's being added along the pool. So the team is doing the excavation. They're going to work on backfill later on, and then once again building up from the base. So we're working smart over here. Very nice, very cutesy, very demure. So right now we're working on digging out this side area over here for a staircase. There's a lot of rock, so we have someone digging out the rocks by hand, and we also have machinery as well. This guy's on pause because we're working up there right now. So this top wall up here is the elevation we're leaving off of, and we're going to be meeting down here. So because there's so many steps going down, we're going to be breaking all of the steps up with different landings. Don't forget to like and subscribe.